What's going on, my people, my people, my people? Whew. It's heavy out here. It's heavy, We're chasing dreams, We see the vision. We're going after it, We're putting ourselves out there. We're staying up late, putting in the work. We're out there. But, it's time to dig deep. The further we go, the deeper we have to dig. And that's what I'm realizing. Dig deep and pull it out, man. Maintain that character, that integrity, your passion, and persevere through it. Because you're out there now. We're out there. We're out there claiming our dream. We're on the front line, And this is no disrespect to our soldiers and to our veterans. But when you put yourself out there, people are gonna take shots at you. Get ready. It's coming, baby. It's part of the work. It's part of it. It's like when you're working out, baby. We can do some wall squats, 15 seconds, not bad. 30 seconds, not bad. 45 seconds, hey, it's burning, right? By a minute, it's burning when you're working, right? 10 rep sets, you're on that third set. On number 10, it's burning. It burns right now. That's what it feels like. But we can't give up, As you go out there and chase what you see, your vision, you're gonna feel alone. Because it's your vision. No one else can see it but you. And I have to remind myself of that. I'm not alone, but what I see is something the world may not see. And what you see, we may not be able to see. So that's no discredit to you. And that's no discredit to your work. You must continue to have faith and grind it out. You must continue to push through and know that you have a purpose, because you've defined your purpose. We're at the stage now where we're brushing our shoulders off. The haters are coming and we're brushing them off. The naysayers, the deniers, you're changing your life right now. It's scary to those who know the old you. They feel like they're losing somebody. Don't stop. Be the example. Be the leader. Leaders don't follow policy. They don't follow the norm. Leaders create the norms. They create new policy. That's you. That's us. That's what we have to be. If we want to define a better tomorrow, we have to step up and start creating this world today. We can't wait. It's not going to be handed to us. And the road definitely isn't going to be easy. I think we all knew it wasn't going to be easy. We should have known it wasn't going to be easy. People told us it wasn't going to be easy. So why are we shocked now? I should wake up. Why am I shocked now, man? Why am I shocked now? So hang in there. Hang in there. I'm with you. I'm going to push you. This piece right here is just to let you know that you're not alone. I feel it too. I feel it too. But I refuse to give up. I'm tired, but I won't stop. I won't stop. I believe in the vision. Love someone today. And I believe in you. Don't forget to subscribe to the page. Check me out on Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. But we're all vulnerable, We're all vulnerable.